Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this. Now today's recipe is for chicken pakoras. I know we love to have pakoras in Ramzan especially, so this is one of the recipes you're probably going to want to save and make over and over again. That's how good they are. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I have about 20 ounces of chicken thigh meat. That just a little over 1 pound. And I'm using chicken thigh meat, and I've already cut it into tiny little pieces. You can use chicken breast meat. It's definitely up to you. And to that, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze one whole lemon. Now, I'm marinating it for a few hours because I'm making it for iftar, but you don't have to marinate it for too long. You can fry them within 30 minutes or so. So to that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Now each salt is different, so do add salt according to your diet. And here I have garlic paste, ginger paste, and some chopped chilies or chili paste, and I'm going to add that to the chicken. And I had 1.5 teaspoon of each. So give it a good mix and set it aside while you chop your greens. So after a few hours, I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. So that was rice flour, and here I have all the spices: methi, red chili, ajwain or carom seed, turmeric, zira powder, salt, and coriander powder. So don't worry, I'll have all the measurements in the comment section below. So after adding those, go ahead and mix it well. And to that, then I'm going to add rice flour. I have 3 tablespoons of rice flour. You don't have to add rice flour if you don't have it or is not readily available. You can add cornstarch as well. So that goes in next, and now give that a good mix. And to that, I'm going to add sliced 1 medium-sized onion, about 1 handful of mint, and 1.5 handfuls of cilantro. Go ahead and add those in there next, and mix those well with your hands. If you're not comfortable doing it with bare hands, you can definitely put a glove on or something, but I don't mind. I love to do this by my hand. So now mix all the ingredients, all the chopped up greens and onions well. And then to that, I added 1 1/3 of a cup of gram flour or chana atta or chickpea flour. You can call it either or. And then I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of water. Now add your water gradually. Don't add it all at once because you don't need the mixture to be very, very runny. So I ended up using all of the 1/3 of a cup of water. And now I'm going to add, just before frying, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. So make sure it's not baking soda. It has to be baking powder. So add that and mix that well. So this is what it should look like. I mean, you can use any brand, but that's what I'm using. And I have my oil heating, so I'm going to start to fry these. Make sure your heat is not too high. It has to be medium high because there's chicken in these pakoras, so we want that to cook through well. And put all of your pakoras as much as you can in there and fill the kadai, and then start to turn them one by one. Because my pan is not too deep, I can't just get a spatula and turn them over all at once. So I'm going to turn them over one by one, and once they are light golden nice golden brown on both sides, you can take them out on a paper towel. And before you put your next batch in, make sure you lower your heat so the oil is not too hot when you put the next batch in. So that's very important. And now here I'm taking all of these out and they are ready. So serve them with green chutney if you prefer. And these came out so good, so delicious and mouth-watering. I mean, if you haven't tried this, you must try it at least once, and I'm sure you will go back to trying them again and again. So if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. And see you again with another very easy and simple recipe.